In this video, we'll show you how to enable guest checkout on your website. First, make sure you're logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin, Settings, and then click on the Basic Details tab. Scroll down and check the Enable Guest Checkout checkbox. Please note, if this option is checked, then customers can check out as a guest using Stripe only. Guests cannot log in and access an account, so they will need to contact your organisation for support. Click the Update button if any changes are made. And that's it, you have now successfully enabled guest checkout on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.